Today we're turning this into this. Alright, so this week we have a trashed vintage Mizuno 3-wood. We'll see how we can bring this back to new in under 15 minutes. Before we head to the Shining Shack, we're gonna try to remove by hand any clear coats located in spots hard to get under the wheel. The problem with DIYers is that they'll often cover woods with a clear coat, which is good, but if you fill in the grooves of the face with that clear coat, it doesn't give the ball the spin it's supposed to. The grooves are there for a reason, so we're going to try to empty those. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do this in 15 minutes because I did it in 14. Of course, we're talking work minutes here because varnish and clear coats need their curing time. Does this wood look like new? No, but it looks damn good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back very soon with another project.